Hey y'all, we're here at the road. We're on our second weekend now. I'm gonna put the sign up. Here we are. Sure the arrow's the right way this time. Yep. That's done. Heading back to the shop. Okay, here we are at the shop. It's cold out this morning. Gonna put up the sign stating we're open. A little early, but doesn't matter. I'm here, right? Okay. Here we go. Give it a kick. And it's up. And now I have to open up shop, get everything picked up, cleaned up, and open all the doors. I'll be back. So I'm at the shop. It's been windy the last 2 days, and some stuff kind of flew around a little bit. Ended up making a bit of a mess. I have to clean this up, move some stuff around so this don't happen again. And flap came right off. So, have to fix that. It's bubbling out pretty bad. Alright, gonna work at this for a bit. Okay, well, we got through the shop, Rod and I. We can get right in here now. This is kind of nice. We cleaned it right out really good. There's the stuff we have to go through over there. This will be my sorting shelves. A few things to go through here. And, oh, lots to go through there still. Move that around and clean off the counter again. I picked up everything that the wind blew around out here. Sorry if it's kind of windy, but it's one of those days. So it looks a little better. Fixed up the tent. It was kind of blowing around too. And then, come on over here and show what Rod got done. Look, Minnie's going away. There we are. Dave rented the Mini the last couple of days to work on the culvert on our road. I'll show you that as well. But right now, I'll show you what we got done here. This little area here is, oops, sorry. There we go. Fixed up around the outhouse, cleaned up all down in there. Looks nicer. Got this all cleaned out. Looks much better. Move the wood over here. He dug some holes to do the back landing here because we're gonna like add on to this section right here. So it's gonna be a deck here. So he dug his holes, got that done. He's gonna put some cylinders and concrete for the feeding or feet footing. That's it. So this is coming along. Wow, much nicer, a little cleaner. We are gonna get this tree cut out of here soon and make this here like a nice little rolling hill kind of thing. And one over there, still loading up the guy. Pick it away. Okay, I'm gonna put these couple of baskets out, see where I can find a place for them. Looks like that goes in here. That'll work. This is, I don't know. Not sure, we'll put it over here somewhere, I think. It's pretty full at this end. Better stay down here, eh? Okay. And a vase. Oh, so many vases. They don't really sell around here very well. Putting this away. Okay, we put out a few things yesterday here. Since that stuff went, I'm gonna price it now. This is our pricing gun. It's like a little label. It spits out these little tags like that. Okay, let's see. I have to set the dial. Just like that. There, okay, I got it priced. Everything I brought in here yesterday is done. Has the prices on it. And we're having a movie giveaway today, so I have those ready as well. Okay, I think I'm ready for people to show up. Now we have to work on this here pile here. This will all go out today. It's a box of toys, so we'll get them out. Priced, cleaned up, and on the shelves. All right, little update on my garden. I got cucumbers, and we have peas. So I just passed the still through here. Got all these brush cut down. Looks much better, a little cleaner. Then I gotta take the weed trimmer through here and trim it down a little better, but looks nice. Okay, it's coffee time. I'm gonna go make myself a coffee. All right, coffee break. This is my little coffee maker. Makes 1 cup at a time, but it's battery operated and I love it. There it goes, it's perking. I don't know if you can hear it. Coffee in about 3 minutes. Okay, coffee's done. Look at that. I could use this little cup, but I like to reuse it, and because I use cream and sugar, I put it in a different one. There we are. And I'll clean that out. And now I have hot coffee. Look how nice. Rod's going with the weed trimmer. Much better. Much. Very nice. Look at that. Ooh, he's throwing rocks at me. There's our crows. There they are. has one. He's gonna follow. Okay, so here's the road. It got all fixed. The culverts are in. The old one was taken out. Got busted. But it's working good. Look at that. Road looks nice. See? Comes out on that side. There we are. No more beavers to clog up the dam. Look at that. They got taken care of by our neighbor. He was a great help. But the road looks awesome now. It's all filled in, ready to go. Okay, we're up here at the site again. We're gonna do some more cleaning of some more brush, chopping down some more trees, clear out our site a little bit more. because, yeah. Here we go. That's our pile. It's pretty big, actually. As you can see, Rod's gone back over there. But we cleaned out everything that was on the ground around here. Oh, there was lots. Picked it up. Now we can get through here. Look at that. We got that awesome pile to do right there. Through here. And then that way. They're over there in that clearing over there. So we're getting there. It's looking good. Nicely cleaned up. Get right through here and see what it looks like, right? And then all that'll get all cleared out. All that. Wow, we're getting there, Rod. A little bit at a time. The rain we had, we haven't been able to get out here. Nice. And there's our trail over there. We're almost out of gas, so
I'm gonna try and get this little one and maybe some branches.
Here, clear that up. Need to get in there to cut those 2 trees there. Well, went a little ways. We're done for tonight. Did a whole thing of gas on the chainsaw. It's getting late. Sun's going down. We're gonna go have steak and eggs, right?
Yeah.
Yes. I bought some fresh steak today from the butcher shop. Okay, Rod, let's end this one for tonight. Say bye for now. Ready? All right, bye for now. We'll see you again.